NOWPayments officially welcomes Casper to its ecosystem. Casper's taking over, man. We are going global from Turkey TV, right, to NOWPayments and TSN Crypto Web 3.0 news articles. Caspians, if this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to watch until the end. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share with your friends and family, and become a channel member to support even further. NOWPayments welcomes Kaspa, a future forward leap. And right here we have the graphic. NOWPayments now accepts Kaspa, expanding the NOWPayments ecosystem. The future of digital payments is bright, and now NOWPayments has just made it even brighter by integrating Cas on its platform. Businesses can now experience the myriad of benefits that come with Cas. Let's delve into it, why this is a game changer for both NOWPayments and the Casper community. With the addition of Cas, NOWPayments expands its ecosystem, making it more inclusive. This new integration not only broadens the range of available currencies, but also introduces the unique attributes and features of Cas to the platform's user base. The advantage of speed and security with Casper. One of the most touted benefits of Casper is its speed and security. Transactions are processed quickly, reducing waiting times for both businesses and customers. Plus, with the robust security mechanisms inherent to Casper, businesses can rest easy knowing their transactions are in safe hands. Tapping into a new user base. With Casper's growing popularity and community, businesses can now tap into this new segment of enthusiastic and dedicated users. This means a broader audience and potential customer base for businesses, leading to increased sales and loyalty. Reduce transaction costs. Traditional payment gateways and even some cryptocurrencies come with a hefty transaction fees, but with Cas, businesses can benefit from significantly reduced costs. This ensures that more of the money stays in the business's pocket, a boon for small enterprises and big corporations alike. So again, this is what Casper has been created for, to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that is secure and fast and can scale. It's not like the more people use Casper and its ecosystem, all of a sudden the cost to transact with Cas is gonna get higher and higher, like we saw with Ethereum and also even Bitcoin when Bitcoin ordinals became a thing, right? The transaction cost for Bitcoin instantly got higher. That is not the case with Cas. And again, if we're talking about the world and the financial system transitioning to crypto, block DAG technology, right? If they're going to transition, they're going to need assets that they could use, right? Businesses, large corporations, etc. And mass adoption for Cas is taking place one step at a time because of this. Enhancing business adaptability. In today's fast-paced world, adaptability is key. By accepting payments with Cas, businesses showcase their commitment to embracing new technologies and catering to modern consumer demands. This forward-thinking approach is likely to resonate with tech-savvy customers and early crypto adapters, strengthening the Casper community. This integration not only benefits NOWPayments and its users, but also the Casper community. With more platforms supporting Cas, its value and utility increase, leading to a stronger community growth and engagement. The integration of Casper currency on NOWPayments is more than just another cryptocurrency option. It's a vision of the future where speed, security, and adaptability reign supreme. Businesses now have the opportunity to be at the forefront of this digital payment evolution, and with Cas, the sky is the limit. That's bullish, man. I got goosebumps. You know, I got chills, guys. This is the best, investment I've made in crypto, like, ever. when it comes to crypto, man, like, this is the best investment I've made. Dive into this future with NOWPayments and Casper and let the digital revolution begin. And there you have it, guys. Full article from TSN Crypto, TSN Web3, and NOWPayments integrating Casper. Absolutely amazing stuff from Rasta Legend. Casper is so strong. I've never seen anything like this. $5 is an easy goal. Cash right now sitting at 0.047 cent. Just, this was a few hours ago. We already moved up from that. Jim Skibum, I heard an interesting rumor just now that was so interesting I had to investigate. The rumor that was that Casper mainnet launched literally at the Bitcoin all-time high. I almost didn't believe it, so I looked it up and confirmed. What are the chances of that? Unless maybe, feel free to speculate below. I've got a few ideas. Ooh, man. Jonathan is Satoshi, guys. Caspian's Jonathan is Satoshi. The Casper monetary policy has two phases. Pre-deflationary phase. This began at the mainnet start November 7th, 2021 and ended on May 8th, 2022. The reward rate was firstly random in a range of 1 to 1,000 Casper blocks for the first 2+ weeks, and then was replaced with a constant reward rate at the first hard fork, 500 Cas per second. Since the block rate was also 1 per second, the reward was 500 Cas per block. This stage lasted for 6 months. That is insane. And that was around the same time at the Bitcoin all-time high. Freaking interesting stuff, man. That was the same date and everything. Wow. That is crazy, man. Dexter's Crypto Lab. Yes, brother, Cash will hit 10 cent by the end of this year and maybe 20 cent 2024. It will hit $1 and in 2025 $2 to $10. Yes, I think Casper could get to a 300 billion market cap. That would put it at number 3 or at least the top 5 by the end of the next bulla, which I think is realistic. You can't stop Casper. 84.eth, a strong weekly close for Cas, right? And we see the breakout happening again for Cas after that strong weekly close, right? We closed above these resistance levels and flip them into support. Now Cas has support right here. We have a train that is leaving the station once again, and all we got to see is the bull step in to break this all-time high, retest and break. Then we see that 6 cents level, and you saw from the Turkish TA for their 5-wave pattern, their target is also 6 cents for Casper. So yeah, Dexter's Crypto Lab, $1 for Cas. That is like that is like so plausible, man. $1 to $5 the targets. Like, I really think that is gonna happen. OG Fruits, Casper, another bull run incoming. This is the beginning. 9 thumbs up, 10 hearts for that. QZJ, Cas is more valuable than gold. Devin Dude, Cas, can you imagine what the official bull run will be like with this? 10 hearts, 4 hodl emojis. Like, think about it, right? Cas is performing like this with Bitcoin, like when Bitcoin was crap in the bed the entire time. Even when Bitcoin was crap in the bed recently, recently Bitcoin was crap in the bed, Cas was still holding up so strong, and now we're seeing this breakout, man. Insane to see, like, just crazy. Escander, Cas, I could have said it better myself, but Weefius, listen up, stupid stupid gamblers. Cas is not an ordinary crypto. It's the best tech out there. You don't trade, you don't margin buy or sell, you just buy and put it away. Look again after 5 years. Casper is meant for great things. Sell your ETH, stupid crap coins, and wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Jim Skibum, don't forget, Cas was hitting this monthly candle close, previous all-time high at 324. People were telling us we was going lower. Maybe a lesson there. I saw on my timeline a lot of people saying the Casper run is over. See you at 1 cent. See you at 2 cent. Right? That's it for Cas. Yeah. You guys were wrong. I hope you guys admit that you were wrong, man, because anything happens on the channel where I'm wrong, I'll happily admit and own up to it and be like, I was wrong. So I hope the people I was calling for 1 cent Cas be like, hey, I was wrong, right? They probably won't admit it though. Moonshot Josh, that's what the Casper beards never understood. Keck, We're dealing with a coin that comes around once every 6 to 7 years. BTC, ETH, now Cas, in my opinion. Captain Sats, imagine Casper creeping into the top 10 without Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, etc. Has there ever been done in the history of crypto? Think about that. Crypto Grab, big news for the world of Cas. Rust rewrite and 10 BPS boosts are on the horizon. We can't wait. But the real game changer, Dag Knight. It's about to shatter the limits of network speed. Exciting times ahead. Dag Knight is a proof of work consensus. Perfect proof of work consensus. Any property you could desire by a proof of work protocol is either achieved by Dag Knight or it is known to be impossible. And to close out the video from CryptoBank.Cas, a lot of TA experts calling for 1 cent rage Cas have gone awfully quiet. We know who you are. Laughing emojis. I saw a lot of people saying 1 cent Cas on my timeline, saying the Casper run is over, right? I thought we was gonna retrace to like 3 cent. Honestly, that was where I think we was gonna retrace to before we continued up further. But you know, Cas just has, you know, it's steroids, Adderall, you know, blue chews, Viagra, all mixed into one, man. Gatorade, all of that is just the concoction for Cas, man. It's just all mixed up in a witch's cauldron, guys. It's just absolutely crushing it, man. The unicorn, man. I'm telling you, this is the unicorn of the cycle. Kaspa is the unicorn, man. Like, you gotta have Cas in your portfolio. You just have to. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family, become a channel member, and tune into the live streams. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart that you guys support the content. It really means a lot. Like, can't thank y'all enough. I'll catch you in the next one.